How to get Roblox Premium? Let's get started. For that, first of all, you can simply open up Roblox application in your mobile device or open a browser and then search for roblox.com and then log in to your account. Now, once you're logged into your account, you can simply tap on this little icon. Now tap on Get Premium. This will take you to the subscription plan. After that, tap on Get Premium again. And now you will see different premium plans. Each plan gives you monthly Robux, trading access, and extra Roblox feature. Choose a plan that suits you the best and then you can click onto it. Right over here, you can simply tap on subscribe now. And now you can simply select your payment method, enter your payment details, and confirm the purchase. Once completed, your Roblox Premium will be activated. You should start receiving monthly Robux automatically, and note that it renews automatically unless you cancel it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.